Okay, this is my basic facial video. So I have her draped completely. And so now I'm gonna start with the cleanser. I'm gonna take the lid off. I'm going to cleanse her eyes first, so get a cotton round. Put a little bit of cleanser in there. Throw that away, sanitize my hand. Gonna throw that cotton round away and sanitize my hand. Get more cleanser. Do the same for the other eye. Put the lid back on. Sanitize after throwing that away. Now we will clean her, use the cleanser on her lips. Get one more cotton round. Throw that away. Put the lid back on, sanitize. Okay, now we will throw that away. And then cleanse her face. So I will put a little bit of cleanser in my hand. Put the lid back on. Warm that up in my hands. Use circular motions to rub the cleanser in. Okay, now we will remove it with aesthetic wipes. To wrap these around my fingers, so it takes a second. Okay, I'll take off the aesthetic wipes and sanitize my hands. Then I would get the magnifying lamp and do a skin analysis. And I will look at her cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin and look for any pimples or comedones. Okay, then once I perform the skin analysis, I will put the steamer on in front of her and get the steam going. And I will have that on her for 8 to 10 minutes. And while that's on, I will exfoliate. So I'll grab the exfoliant. I will put it on a stick. Put it on her chin, cheek, forehead, cheek. Throw that away, sanitize. Close that. Then I will rub that in using circular motions. Okay, and then once that is all rubbed in, I will remove it with more aesthetic wipes. Does this hurt at all?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Sometimes exfoliant kind of hurts.
Yeah.
But okay, then once the exfoliant is all off, I will throw my aesthetic wipes away, sanitize my hands, and I will start with the extraction. So I'll put gloves on, and I see one on forehead, so I will use Q-tips and use an in and upward motion, going first from the sides and then up and down. Then I will throw those away. Then I will start with the massage. So I will get the massage cream. Put some of that in my hand. Throw that away, sanitize. Put the cap back on. Warm that up in my hands. And I will apply it to the face. And then I will start off with effleurage. Doing this 3 times around the whole face. After effleurage, I will go into petrissage. Doing this 3 times as well. I believe this is Tapotiment. And after that, I will go into friction. Going from temple to temple. And we'll finish up with effleurage again. Okay, massage is done. We will now go to the mask. I don't have a brush to apply this, so I would get my brush, but I'm just going to use a popsicle stick. Put it on chin, cheek, forehead, cheek. Throw that popsicle stick away. Sanitize my hands. Put the lid back on. I will also put the eye patches on for the mask. And I'm gonna act like my finger is the brush, because we haven't gotten our brush yet. That it's on the nose. Okay, and then we would let that sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go get a steamed towel to take it off. And I'll take the steamed towel, lay it on her forehead, and wrap it around, making sure that her mouth and nose aren't covered. Also take the eye patches off. Throw those away and sanitize my hands. Press the steamed washcloth into her face and start to remove the mask. Now that the mask is all removed, I will tone her face using a cotton round. I'll pour this over the trash. Put the lid back on. And I will dab the toner in. Once the toner is in, I'll throw the cotton round away, sanitize my hands, and we will do the eye cream. Get a cotton round, get a little bit of the eye cream, put that on my ring finger, close that, put that down, throw that away, sanitize, and I will dab the eye cream in, going from the outside in. Then I will get the moisturizer. We'll put some of that in my hand. Close the lid, throw that away, sanitize, put that down, warm it up in my hands. And I will rub this in using circular motions. And lastly, we will apply SPF. So I'll put a little bit of that on my ring finger, throw that away, put the lid back on, and sanitize. Then I will distribute that onto my 4 fingers and rub that SPF in. And your facial is done.
Yay.
This was my lovely assistant,